I'm Nicole KISER, the principal at Cecilia Valley Elementary. Welcome to the Cecilia Valley Open House for the 21-22 school year. An open house is an opportunity for our students and families to get to come and see our beautiful school building, meet our staff, and see their teachers and their new classmates. It's so important for students and families to come on this evening because it allows them to get some of those initial nerves out so that when they come on the first day of school, they're ready to jump in and get started with their learning. We are so excited to welcome several new students in grades preschool all the way through 5th grade at Cecilia Valley and staff. Often parents really just want to know the logistics about our start time and end time, so buses and cars will be releasing students starting at 7:10 a.m. and our school bell will ring at 7:30 to mark the start of the learning day. So after that time, we ask that families bring their children to they park in the front parking lot and sign their children in at the office. And our school day ends at 2:15 p.m. Every child will have the opportunity to have breakfast and lunch at Cecilia Valley daily. And breakfast is eaten in the classrooms, and for K through 5, lunch is eaten in the cafeteria. I think the number one thing that has changed is just people's fear has dissolved quite a bit this year. We still take the situation we're in very seriously, but we also understand the importance of having students here in person, and we're really just more prepared this year than we ever have been. We're just really excited to have our students in person so we can make the best possible impact.
Hi, my name is Miss Newman. I am the school counselor at Cecilia Valley Elementary School. This is a chance where we get to invite all of our families into the building so we could get to know them. They get to meet their teachers, see their classroom, and we help them get connected with some community resources and our PTO. And then we also give them information about transportation so they're ready for the first day of school. A lot of parents just want to know what to expect in this grade level, so we try to provide some of those resources for families. They could take home some books getting ready for the grade level they're going into. Teachers provide schedules and a little glimpse of what the year would be like for them. This year, uniquely, they want to know what's going to be different this year from last school year. So we get to have all of our families back here with us in preschool through 5th grade. So we're very excited about that. I know our teachers are excited to have students being able to be a little bit more collaborative this year, but we're also going to have some safety precautions still in place. So students will still be working together, but we will do all the extra sanitizing and everything to make sure that everyone stays healthy and safe. We'll still be doing sanitizing between all students, and materials and things will be kept more individualized, and so that way we could keep down on sharing the germs. A lot of students, they do hear a lot of the noise from different sources, being out in the community and everything, and so when they come into school, we just try to really make them feel safe and comfortable. If they are feeling concerned or having some anxiety, then they have a way to connect with me and our Family Resource Center. Through their teachers, we make that very accessible for them so they have time, a safe place where they could come and share their feelings, and we can work through some strategies to help them cope with that. I go to classrooms every other week. I visit whole classes and do guidance lessons that way, but I also have targeted small groups of students that I pull, and we work on specific needs that they may have, and then I also work one-on-one with students on a need-by-need basis.